So we have given one question today, so that's based on Floyd-Warshall. So as Floyd-Warshall is kind of a prerequisite today. Yeah, very sorry, very sorry. I thought of the screen. Guys, I will be out of this meet and I don't get the minimized version of meet also. So if I am doing some mistake or if I am not presenting or if I am doing some silly mistakes, let me know. Okay, not through chat. Talk to me.
The recording also started.
Yeah, I started that. Yeah. Yeah, thank you by the way. But yeah. Yes. So in this question, first of all, what is Floyd-Warshall algorithm? I will let you know. Then I will explain how do we get the intuition of Floyd-Warshall. Okay. Yeah. I guess from past 2 to 3 days we are explaining from the GFG and using this pointer. I guess it somehow makes sense instead of directly coding or telling it in explaining in Xolid. So I thought to do it from this. Okay. Yeah. Good to go then. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
So from past 2 days or 3 days we are studying graph concept. Yes. Okay. Now, in the graph, we covered topological sort and we covered BFS, kind of BFS is nothing but topological sort only, DFS, whatever we have thought. We have done something. Okay, just a second. Yeah, no worries. Let's start. Done. Now let's go into Floyd-Warshall. Floyd-Warshall states that very simple. They have given a weighted graph, okay, or unweighted, it might be fine, it's totally fine, no worries about that. But let's think about weighted graph because that's more intuitive. And whether it is undirected or directed doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, just imagine like daily life application we think about Dijkstra algorithm. Dijkstra algorithm, what is Dijkstra algorithm, brother? There are so many n nodes will be there. From one node, from one respective node to all other nodes, we'll find the shortest path. For example, very simple example I will take and which is very relatable. See now, just a second. Yeah, here is your house. Okay, here is central. Here is SRM. Okay, there is one intermediate station from your house also. So we'll like we'll start your journey from here. We'll reach here. Then we will reach here. Then we'll reach here. Yes or no? Yes. Your house, some intermediate station, Chennai Central, and SRM. Yes. Dice.
Yes, sir.
Yes. No. So no. Dijkstra will be like choose one node. Okay, let it be my Chennai Central. From Chennai Central to all other nodes, I can find the minimum distance. Like from Chennai Central to your house, Chennai Central to some intermediate station, let it be like Andhra Pradesh or something like that. And again from Chennai to SRM, Central to SRM, it will find all the shortest path. So that you can choose that and you can go. It's simply like you are using maps. In Google Maps, you use your current location and you will ask Google Maps what is the shortest path and it will automatically figure it out and let you know. Yes or no? That's how this maps also works. Indirectly, in backend, they are using Dijkstra algorithm only. Dijkstra algorithm makes sense right now for you, everyone. Yes, from one particular node of your graph, total graph may, from one particular node, you can find the minimum distance to all other nodes. That's why it is a single source shortest path. Single source matlab the one source shortest path. From for all other nodes, we'll find the shortest one. That is Dijkstra. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is this Floyd-Warshall? Very simple. Floyd-Warshall will be like, this is your house. For example, if you want to go from your house to SRM, okay, directly you can go. You will find the shortest part from Dijkstra. From house you can go for Chennai. From house you can go to some intermediate station named Andhra Pradesh or something. Yes. So from this is the source node right now, and we can use Dijkstra to get all the shortest distance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But I want multi-source. Matlab, I want I want from my house to Andhra Pradesh and from Chennai Central to Andhra Pradesh also shortest part simultaneously. Then Dijkstra don't work. Yes or no? Because we have only one source. Let it be either house or Chennai Central. Dono simultaneously will not work. Yes, this will be taken care by Floyd-Warshall. Floyd-Warshall will be like very simple. See, here this is house, right? So Floyd-Warshall will be not only from your house. I will take all the possibilities, all the pairs. Matlab, what all pairs can be formed? House to SRM. Okay, let me go to this actually. Okay, just a second. See, what all possibles can be made? Just a second. See, house to SRM. Yes, house to MGR Central. Yes, respond please. House to SRM
Yes.
College, MGR Center, what else is that? Andhra Pradesh Intermediate Station. And same, exact same, from all the other nodes also. Matlab, this will be done by Dijkstra from your house, as keeping your house as a source node. But this can be also done with some other nodes. Matlab, like to be precise, SRM to house, SRM to MGR, SRM to Andhra also. And again, same with others. Andhra to house, Andhra to MGR, Andhra to SR. You got it what I'm trying to say? So what all nodes are there? Okay. Okay, like otherwise let me separate it. Just a second. Please, it is testing your patience, but yeah, just a second. See now. Okay. See now, this is what it is. See now, if you keep your source node as Andhra, Dijkstra can solve you the shortest part from Andhra to house, Andhra to MGR, Andhra to SRM. If you keep source as SRM, and if you keep as source as house, then you will find individually to all the things. But these all things together we can get it done with the Floyd-Warshall. Matlab, all possible pairs we can find the shortest minimum path. You understood right now what's the use of Floyd-Warshall and what's the use of Dijkstra? Everyone, you understood now? Only from single source we can find the shortest path to all other nodes. That is Dijkstra. But Floyd-Warshall is एक second. How to say? I guess you got it right. From all nodes,
Yes, Ram.
whatever. It's like from 0 to 4, 0 to 2, 0 to 3, 0 to 1. This is Dijkstra. 1 to 2, 1 to 0, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. We can connect that also. Again, 4 to 0, 4 to 3, 4 to 2, everything. We'll connect in a matrix. We'll keep that in a matrix. In that matrix, for suppose this is 0 and this is 2. So if you go to 0 to column, right, 0 through second column, this will give you the distance, shortest distance between 0 to 2. Directly within of one time you can get. You understood now? What's the use of Floyd-Warshall? Sakshi Tanai. What is the difference between Floyd-Warshall and Dijkstra?
Yes, Ram.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, done. Now, you understood what is Floyd-Warshall. Now, just the intuition behind Floyd-Warshall is very, very, very simple. See, here is Sakshi's house. Okay? Now, see very carefully. And this is SRM. Now, see. She can, this is just just an example, okay? She can go through SRM from her home to college through walk. This is one way. And do you know how long will it take? At least a month or 2 months, I guess. From her home to SRM through walk. And she also has train service. She also has bus service. Okay, there might be two bus stations. She should change from Bangalore to Chennai Central and Chennai to SRM. Okay, let it be like that. Now see, and train directly we can go to Putteri, let it be. Now I understood this example right now. My writing might not be clear, but I guess you're getting somehow. Sakshi will start from her house. Either she will go directly, or she will take help by bus, or she will take help of train. Which is the shortest she will prefer. For example, does any point in her life will she prefer going to SRM through walk? Sakshi, will you ever prefer?
No,
No. So you prefer what? Train or bus? Let it be bus.
train.
Okay, train. So she prefer train because the amount of time she should spend is, matlab, the amount of time she is spending in the journey will be less. Cost will be total less when compared to bus, and she won't lose any energy. Matlab, what is the point of going in train? Very simple. Less cost. Less cost in the sense cost always not define money or something. Okay, the comfort, whatever we can say. Bus more cost, and we don't need to talk about walk also. Yes or no? Like there is no debate in that because it will take miles and let it be like for example the time she's traveling, that's her main focus. In train she can go in 2 hours, so let it be. In walk 2 months. In bus 4 hours. So what will she prefer? Of course train. That's why she is doing right now also. That's what she is doing. So she will prefer train because she can reach the college within less amount of time. Yes. So first, what Sakshi will do? Sakshi will think like, can I go through walk? No. So I can't directly go from house to SRM. So somehow I should take some intermediate help. So I can go through via bus, I can go via train or some via bike, whatever. So many possibilities. She will go, but after experiencing one time, she will get to know that train is the shortest one, and next time onwards I will prefer train. Yes or no? This is what happens in our normal life. If you haven't visited Chennai, so you feel like somehow bus or train, we don't know which is best. So we will try both and you will get to know which is best and you accordingly you will go. Yes or no, Sakshi? Yeah. So this is how it works. Very simple. Floyd-Warshall will say like his intuition is very simple. One minute, okay? Let me duplicate this one. Yeah. First, try yourself. I guess it's visible. Go to destination. What is destination near college? If or take some help and then reach college or destination. Now she will be like, I might go through myself through walking. Through by walk I will go, or I will take some help like bus or via train she will go, and she will be like, Acha, I reached the destination. And let us feel like Sakshi is dumb, and she don't know that if she if she go by walk, it will take time. She don't know that she's dumb. So what she will do? She will go by walk. Acha, it is taking 2 months of me time. I am free right now. Let me go back to Bangalore and let me come through bus. Acha, 4 hours. So bus taking less amount of time than walking. So I will never prefer walking. But Sakshi's friend will come and say, hey, I am also from Bangalore. Like it's holidays time. You are going to home. Sakshi will be like, yes. How are you going? Through bus. She will be like, I will go in train and I will reach Bangalore in 2 hours. Then Shakshi will be like, Acha, then next time onwards, there is one good opportunity for me to like go to home with very less amount of time, that is train, so she'll become train. So what? She is trying all possibilities over here. Through walk, get experience, through bike or bus, experience, through train, and get the optimal cost. Yes or no? That's what the Floyd-Warshall is. Directly go yourself or take some help go. So in the graph point of view, when 0 want to go to 3, for example, 0 directly itself will go to 3, or through somehow taking 1 and 4 help it might go to 3, or 0, through 2 it might go to 3. It's like this is train, this is bus, this is train, and this is walking. I guess you got a clarity. Yes, everyone? Am I able to explain it properly? Shall I proceed to the next step or what?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Next step.
Yeah, so not only from this node, every node we can get it. Because we are trying possibilities from each and every node, we will store it somewhere that might be helpful for someone else who are from Bangalore, who are from Andhra like me or whatever. Samajh aa gaya? That's all. What are we doing? Very simple. You will only say, see, what are you doing? try out all possibilities. Rather, what do you mean by that? Try via bus, by walk, via train. Choose the best one. Yes, Sakshi will be like minimum of train, comma bus, comma walk. Yes or no, Sakshi will choose this only. So it's turned out to be like through train is the best thing. Yes, you got it, Sakshi. You got your example and you got how we relate that to graphs from node to node. Sakshi's home is one node, SRM is one node, train is another node. We are going via train, we are going via bus and everything. I guess you got it, right? This is what Floyd-Warshall is. Try out all possibilities. Try via bus, try via by walk, via train. Choose the best one. What do you mean by choose the best one? Minimum time taken by all the three things, all the nodes. Matlab what all? So if you talk in this way, see, 0 can go through via 1 comma 4 or directly 3 or 2, again 0 to 1 to 2, then 3. So many ways are there, right? We'll pick it everything and we'll find the minimum one. Got it? So it will be like, just a second. I guess you got the intuition and what is Floyd-Warshall? Yes or no? Respond, please. I tried my best to explain. Yeah. Now, see.
Yes, Ra.
See. Normally, what do we do in brute force? For example, to some example, what will we do? We'll go two loops, right? Nested loops will write, right? Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
That's what we'll do here also. It's like this is kind of brute force, but this is very efficient because Dijkstra is a single source shortest path. But in Floyd-Warshall, the thing is, we can get the shortest distance between all pairs of nodes. Okay, got it. This is the Floyd-Warshall. See, my source is I. Let it be named like this so that it will be good. My destination is J. Got it? Now, what I said, we will try via all possibilities. Int via equals to 0, via less than n, or minute, via plus plus, and it will be like acha tk by. Why is this not? This doesn't work. Will it? No. Let me write it. Yaar. I guess you got it right. Yes. This is the code, that's all. Now say for me, see now. Very simple. Now, you understood these three loops? All see, we are finding from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. So 0 will start here. Destination is 1, destination is 2, destination is 3, destination is 4, destination is 5, like that. Again, we will go for 1. 1 to 0, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Again, we will go here. 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3. Understood? We are finding all possible pairs and we'll keep in the matrix. You understood? Hope you understood.
Yes, Ra.
Yes. Now see. Why? We'll go via 0, via 1, via 2. We'll get it. समझा क्या? See,
Yeah.
our main aim
Yeah,
is
yeah.
to store the distance. Min distance is a matrix. उसका source or destination equals to, ध्यान से सुनो, either the one which is directly, for example, in worst case scenario, Sakshi is dumb and she got to know that the minimum time it will take for her to reach from her college to home or from home to college might be the walking one. Yes, or Sakshi is intelligent right now and she will be like, my first priority is bus. Then she feels, arre yaar, kya bakchodi bhai. I should write it, okay. Min distance of SRC. Right now, whatever distance is there, that might be the minimum. Or now see, I am coming from, see, this is very, very good. See, source, destination. Go directly, will take 10 amount of time or 10 hours. Through bus, it will take from here to here 5 hours and here to here 2 hours. So Sakshi will prefer going through this only, yes or no? This is yes, this is destination, and this is via. Now say carefully. Either this should be the minimum direct one. For example, this is one, let it be one. Either this should be the minimum or whatever we are going via, that should be the minimum one. Now see carefully. Source to destination is might be the minimum. That's why I wrote here or what? Did you get it or not? I want a big yes. See,
Understood. Yeah.
from source to destination, you directly go if it is less. If not, take some help of someone. You go via them and count. We should count this one and this one. Yes or no? Sakshi, very simple example. Sakshi should go to parlor or whatever. Now, she thought of going alone. She will go directly. And she is see, Sakshi's home is here, parlor is here. She can go directly within 1 hour. But Sakshi felt okay, like I should take my friend also. She will come first of all from her house to friend's house. Let it be like 2 hours for that. And उसके बाद from her friend's house to again parlor 1 hour. So either Sakshi will go if she feels like going, if she is in emergency and she don't have time, directly pick the first one, or she will go through this one. It will take 1 hour of time to reach and it will take 3 hours of time to reach. If she is interested, then she won't mind spending 3 hours or wasting 3 hours. Yes or no? That's how it is. First of all, which are storing the distance, either Sakshi alone going or taking a help. Source is Sakshi, destination is parlor or whatever, via is her friend. Source to Sakshi to friend's home from and friend's home to parlor. Add these two, either this should be the minimum or directly Sakshi going to the parlor is the minimum. Yes, Sakshi understood now this intuition?
Yeah, Radha.
Yes, perfect. Okay, let us proceed then. So that's how that is Warshall for matlab, Floyd-Warshall done. This is what it is. Done. This is the what. That's what. That is Floyd-Warshall. That's what. So shall we start? Shall we do today's question then? I guess I gave given a, enough amount of prerequisites, I guess, to be needed to solve this question. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yes or leave. I don't know. I guess I have solved it, but I'll try to solve it again. Shall I do live coding today then? Instead of yes.
Yes. Right.
The advantage of if I'm doing live coding is when I'm writing the code itself, I will try to explain to you guys, right? Then you will understand where I am and everything, what I'm doing. Everything. So just give me a small amount of time. Let me drink something. Read the question. I'll give 1 minute of time. Try to read the question. Make quick.
Find the city with the smallest number.
Just think. No need to worry after seeing it in a question. ध्यान से देखो. Don't explain me in parts. Explain पूरा question. I feel like I'm not explaining to my friends. I feel like I'm explaining to my students. Seriously. No one will say anything. If something is wrong, other people will correct you at least. Okay, time waste, I know. I will discuss and I will leave. That's the best thing I can do. Okay. There are n cities number from 0 to n minus 1. Then I already said 0 to n minus 1 and somehow connecting is there. I said to get the intuition of graphs. Even though they have given
That
the
means
photo.
graph.
Yeah. So given that array edges from to 2 and weight, I will let you know what is that, representing a bidirectional and weighted edge between from to 2. And given a distance threshold, return the city with smallest number of cities that are reachable through some path and whose distance is at most distance threshold. If there are multiple cities, return the city with the greatest number. Just a second. Oh, oh, oh. Why the fuck it's not working? Yeah. The explanation they have given is lovely. From this only itself we can understand. See now. I am once again saying don't come for the sake of me. No, I might feel bad for 1 minute or some moment. Uske baad I will be fine. If you want to learn something, just try to come. If you want to interact with the people, try to come. If everything, no worries at all. Just if you're busy, it's totally fine. You can leave the class, no worries about that. See now, they have given n equal to 4 and it's just something they have given, okay? 0 to 1, there is a edge. Bidirectional edge, matlab we can go from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1. And with a weight of 3. It's like from Sakshi to our friend's house, there is a 3-way. Matlab 3 hours it will take. Okay? Yeah. See now, if I want to go from 0 to 2, I can go 3, 4 like this, or 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. But what is minimum? 3 plus 1 is minimum. So I will choose this path. That's how it was. That is shortest path normally. And they have given some edges and they have given from threshold. They are saying from city 0, you want to go to all other cities, but count if, listen to me properly. Start from each city and go for all other cities remaining, but count it if and only if the distance or the time the taking for you to reach from your particular node to other particular node is less than or equal to threshold. मतलब क्या? City 0 से मैं शुरू करूँगा and I will try to go to all other ways. I will go from 0 to 1. There is only one path and the distance is 3. The threshold is 4. 3 is less than 4, so it's totally fine. I can add it. That's why I'm added here. I want to go for city 3. What is the one way? Best way is 3 plus 1 plus 1. Yes or no? 5. But the threshold is 4. I can't add it. I can go to 2. Yes, because 3 plus 1 is 4. Less the at most threshold होना चाहिए. At most मतलब 4 also will be included, right? Like that. Get this one, get this one, get this one, and get this one. उसमें which one has minimum? Return that city. This has length of 3, this has length of 3, and this has length of 2, and this has length of 2. So straight away we can eliminate city 1 and city 2. City 0 और city 3 में दो cities जा सकता है less than or equal to threshold, लेकिन वो बोल दिया कि दोनों same है तो the city with bigger number should be returned first. So city 0s and 3 have two neighboring cities at distance threshold equal to 4, but we have to return city 3 since it has the greatest number. 3 is greater than 1, so we'll return 3. Now, after seeing itself, it's very easy to get the intuition that we should use Floyd-Warshall. Very simple. See, I should go from city 0 to city 1. I can't go normally. I will find the optimal path. That first of all, I thought of Dijkstra. Okay, city 0 to I can go for city 1, city 2, city 3 with a optimal path and I will get the array. मतलब 0 से 0 कितना है, 0 से 1 कितना है, 0 से 2 कितना है, I will get it. Again, I should go for 1 also. I should do for 2 also. I should do for 3 also. What are we finding here? The smallest, the shortest path from each and every node. Yes or no? Did you get it or not? First of all, say for me that. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. Say for me, quick. अरे क्या बकचोदी थी भाई, तुम बात कर नहीं कर सकते क्या? Say at least yes or no.
Yes, right, yes.
Yeah. How can we even rotate it? Yeah. Okay, let it be like this. I guess this is fine. See now, very simple. From Sakshi home to Sakshi home, kitna distance hai? 0. Sakshi, Tanay home to Tanay home, 0. Radha's home to Radha home, 0. Salva home to Jalva home, 0. This is clear. This path, this cell indicates the shortest path between ith row and jth column. Matlab, 0th city to 0th city, least is what? 0 only, right? We don't need to go anywhere. This cell indicates that from city 0 to 2, it will take some X amount of time. Does that mean that city 2 to 0 also X amount of time only? If Sakshi is taking 2 hours from her home to parlor, then again from it, of course, it will take only 2 hours from her parlor to home. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
That's all. And first of all, I will make sure I am keeping everything as infinite. You remember, right? DMM, at least you remember this filling arrays with infinite values. You remember thoda sa?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. First of all, I'll keep everything as infinite. But whenever there is a path, I'll keep as 0. Pehle, I don't know that there is a path exists. But they have given that, bro, this is the basic path. Let me fill the values. 0 to 1 kitna hai? 3. Sorry. 0 to 1, 3. Next. 1 से 2, 1 से 2 कितना है? 1. 2 से 3 कितना है? 1. 1 से 3 कितना है? 1 से 3 कितना है? 4. 1 से 3 कितना है? मतलब 3 से 1 कितना है? 4. 2 से 3 मतलब 3 से 2 कितना है? 1. 1 से 2 मतलब 2 से 1 कितना है? 1. 0 से 1 मतलब 1 से 0 कितना है? 3. You understood this one? How I am filling the matrix?
Yeah.
This is our current values. I don't know whether it's minimum or not, but taking this is the minimum, this is the given values, and these all are infinite remaining all. You got it now? Yes?
If it is a directed graph,
Then we'll make, accordingly they'll give the edges and accordingly we'll fill, we won't fill the opposite one.
okay.
Now that's all. Now they will be like, see, if I want to get the final matrix from this, right, it is very hard for me. I can't get it. So let me walk through code and let us finish this question. Did you understand the intuition of Floyd-Warshall or not? That's the only thing I want right now.
Understood.
Yes? Yes, done. This is the syntax for creating a matrix. We should create a matrix, right, for that one. And first of all, I should initialize everything with infinite values, right? Let me do that. Don't worry about syntax. Integer dot max value, yes. Done. Now what else we discuss again? I will be like, bro, for int I equal to 3. Okay. I should go through each edge, whatever they have given. Get u, matlab from. What is from? Edge of 0. Yes? Like, does this make sense or you want me to explain properly? Say for me. These are the 2D arrays they have given, right? Edges. This is 2D array. These are internal arrays. This is like a matrix. Usme, I am iterating like an array. So first iteration I will get this whole array. Second iteration I will get all this array. Next iteration. Usme, first one is my source node. Sakshi home. 2. Parlor. Kitne hai? Matlab, what is that node? What is parlor? 2. Edge of 1. And via her, how much time it will take? Matlab, let it be what? Cost. Edge of 2. This you understood? Now, the answer is no. Main distance of from to 2. Kitna hai cost? Cost. You understood this one? If from to itna cost hai, to then 2 to from also utna cost lagega. Yes?
Yes.
And one more thing I would like to discuss is from 0 to 0 it's 0 only, right? Yes, that also we should do, right? So for int I equal to 0, I less than n plus I less plus min distance of I is 0. You understood this one? This is marking 0 for what? Self loop or something like that? And updating the values from one node to another according to the given edges. Initially, I thought all will be infinite, but edges will be like no, not everything is infinite. There are some places where you can reset in this amount of time, and you also know that from 0 to 0, it will take 0. That's what 0 say 0, it will take 0. 1 say 1, it will take 1. 2 say 2, it will take 2, like that. And again the same basic code which we have written: int y equal to 0, y less than n, y plus plus. Now what is the next one? Source. Int source equal to 0, source less than n, source plus plus. For int destination equal to 0, destination less than n, dst plus plus. Now say for me what I should write. Let me write meanwhile some other things, but you should I have written one condition right here, whatever I am writing here. Let say that one. What
Repeat once.
I should write in this if condition?
Less than equals 4.
What do you mean by that? Be precise. This don't I will explain this if condition.
Okay.
Explain what I should write here. What I have written in that LeetCode website right now when I am coding it. You don't remember or you forgot? Okay, no, waste of time. It's totally fine. Min
You
distance.
wrote minimum distance only, na?
Yeah, that's say for me. Spell it out. Then I will write.
Oh. Minimum distance of source destination
Equal to
to
what?
destination. Math dot min of minimum destination of
This one
source
only.
to destination.
Or
Source and via.
Source
and
comma via and via comma distance.
Yeah.
not distance, destination. Source
Destination.
comma via
Sorry. Destination.
via to
DST.
destination. Done.
Yeah.
Now everything will be filled in the
Not-
matrix now from each and every node.
Not a waste of time, rather.
Then you should see if I say waste of time, then only you will talk. Otherwise, you won't talk. Take it, it's totally fine. Now I guess you're clear with this one. See now why I'm writing this one is, for example, exactly why we won't bind results when we are discussing while calculating the mid. I said low plus high by 2, low plus high. For suppose, very simple, min distance of source comma via is integer dot max value, and via to cost also integer dot max value. When we are adding it, it will come 2 into integer dot max. Yes or no? Lekin this array is of integer type. Integer max is the maximum value a integer can have. When we are adding it, it will become overflow. That's why I'm making sure that if it is not the case, then only do this one. You understood? Yes or no?
Can you
once
repeat?
more.
Okay, very simple. See, first of all, I am filling with infinite. This you understand?
Yeah.
Infinite matlab integer dot max value. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let that max value be 100. Okay. This
Okay.
is what a integer can contain. Integer, if it doesn't contain 101, 102, nothing. 100, at most 100 it can do. Okay. At starting May, I have initialized everything with 100. Integer dot max value is 100. Now, when we do 100 here, let it, for example, in worst case May, this might be 100 min distance of source comma via. Yes. It might be 100. There is a
Yes.
chance. And again, this also there is a chance of getting 100.
Yes.
100 plus 100.
Infinite 100.
100.
200.
200 can integer can store 200.
No.
That's why it will throw integer overflow. That is an exception.
So what to do?
That's why I am adding a condition. If it is not integer dot max value, then only find this one.
Okay. Okay.
If it is not integer and minimum source of via destination, मतलब source to via to destination, दोनों integer match value नहीं है तो उस time पे भी just in that case do this one. Sakshi, now clear, or shall I try to once again? It's totally fine, no need to hesitate for anything here. I am waiting for your acknowledgement, Sakshi.
क्या बोलो?
Clear this one now?
Yeah.
Okay, done.
ठीक है.
Yeah. So this is done. Now I got a matrix where for suppose matrix of from x to y, matlab from city x to y, I got the minimum distance. Yes or no? We have calculated that only, right? Yeah. So that is all right now in our hands. अभी क्या करना है हमें? अभी देखो. The thing is, now all these are filled with, for example, all minimum values. Forget about the values, okay? All minimum values and all the easiest path, shortest path we can go. Okay? Now, they are asking ki, from city 0, we can go from city 1, city 2, city 3. Yes or no? उसमें कितना city से distance less than or equal to threshold है, वो count करो. City 1 का भी करो, city 2 का भी करो, city 3 का भी करो. कितना less city से, I want that one. समझ आ गया और नॉट? जल्दी बोलो. सी
एक बार और बताओ.
हाँ देखो. दिस फर्स्ट अरे will let you know the smallest distance from 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. Is this correct? Yeah. Now they are asking you start from city 0, go for city 1, city 2 and city 3. Let it like you started from your home, you're going to friend's house, you're going to parlor and you're going to beach, let it be. And for house it will take 3 hours, for friend's house. For parlor 2 hours, for beach 5 hours. But your mom will say you shouldn't travel something which is greater than threshold. That is your maximum threshold. After that you can't travel. Now you will say to your friend that I won't be going to beach. Yes or no? Because your mother has given a threshold of 4. At max 4 you can go, that's all. Uske baad you can't go. Now you will be like, you will say to your friend ki, okay, first of all I will meet you, then we'll go to the parlor and again we'll spend some time in your home and then I'll get back to my home, but I can't go to beach. समझ आ गया? So this I will not count. I will count only these two. So Sakshi can go only 2 places. City 1 nothing but friend's house, comma, city 2 nothing but parlor. Yes or no? That's how they have given. देखो, city 0 can go only for city 1 and city 2. City 3 they can't go because it's of 5 greater than 4. Same like Tanay home से इधर Tanay's friend's home, Tanay's saloon, Tanay is going to beach. Again से फिर से कितने काउंट है वो बता दो. राधा बता दो, सेल्वा बता दो, आशीष बता दो, पूरा बता दो. उसमें कौन सा is roaming less? I want that guy. For example, Sakshi can go to only 2 places. Tanay can go to 3. Radha can go to 2. Selva can go to 2. So, Tanay and Selva already removed from our option because Sakshi and Tanay waiting, they have visited only 2 cities. We also want that only. So, if we get a clash with the minimum count, minimum kitna hai? 2 hai na? That's all, yes. That is clarity. Radha 3, Tanay 3. But Sakshi 2, Selva 2. So, of course, we'll delete Radha and Tanay because we don't want them. We want the people who roam less. Yes. Is it fine right now?
Yes, bro.
So
Yes,
I will
bro.
choose either Selva
yes.
or Sakshi. But who is big? मतलब which city is big? 3 is big. So I will return Selva. समझ आ गया?
Yes, bro.
That's what they should return. Sakshi and Selva left for me, visiting only 2 cities. Lekin, if we got a clash over there, it has a greatest number, so we should return that one. That they have mentioned in the question. If you want me to show that, I am ready to show. See, if there are multiple cities, then return the city with the greatest number. Okay, so shall I proceed with the code now? You understood now? So first of all, I will be iterating through matrix. Okay. Yes. I less than n, I plus plus, j equal to 0. This is how we iterate through matrix, right? अभी देखो अच्छे से. हमको क्या what we should say? Which city has city with less less count, we can say. City with less count. What is that? I don't know. Let it be -1. And what is the cost? And min cost I can say, and that it will 0 for sure. Now see they got chase int current cost. Current cost is, for example, the answer is no worries about it. For suppose current cost plus, I will let you know, don't worry, just a second. Current cost plus equal to min distance of I comma j. Okay, this is fine. Now Sakshi will start from her home and she'll roam wherever they want to, she want to, and everything distance is counted here. Now the answer is no. If this current cost is there, right, is less than, so far I have seen. Okay, let me put like just a second, give me a second. It should be less than or equal to threshold. Yes or no? First of all, say for me this one.
Yeah.
It should be. Okay, just a second. Wait. Okay, just a second. Current count equal to 0 if min distance of I to j less than or equal to distance threshold current count plus. Now Sakshi will be like, see, Sakshi will start from, okay, Sakshi will start from here and you will go to your friends, parlor and beach. Now, is your friend's home less than threshold? Yes, count plus. Is your parlor less than threshold? Yes, plus. Beach? No, don't plus. मतलब कितना आया तुम्हारा count? 2 है ना? That's what I am keeping the count of here for everyone. Why did I initialize here? Because for Sakshi I should do, for Tanay I should do, for Radha I should do, and for Selva I should do. I should have a free variable again. Here Sakshi visited 2. I can't start with 3, right, for Tanay. I should start for 0 only. इसलिए I started outside of the inner loop. Did you get it now? Yes. The answer is no. मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ कि we want a city which will roam less. So we want to figure out the count how many cities they are roaming. Sakshi will be like parlor and my friend's house. मतलब 2. Tanay is 3, Radha is 3, and Selva is 2. So when they got clash, the minimum got clash, we will return the bigger number. Yes, that's what it is. It will be like current count plus. If this current count is there, right? Just a second. ये कितना है? 2 आ गया ना? Let it be this integer max then. What else we can do? Is this less than? Oh, sorry, yaar. My bad. Is this current distance? मतलब how much Sakshi is traveling is less than already have seen? Yes. This doesn't make sense, right? No, just give me a second. If it is less than, then Tanay should get to know that Tanay we have visited 3, but there is Sakshi sitting over there, which has taken only current count. And the city with less count, matlab as of so far, the city with less count is Sakshi. Where is Sakshi? I. You just mark it as I. Now the answer is no. I am returning this one. Not the answer no. First, we will start with Sakshi. We will see how much current, matlab how many cities she can roam. Count 2 aa gaya. What is the minimum cost right now? We have seen integer.max value. Is this less than 2? Yes, 2 is less than that. Yes. So Sakshi ko mark kar do. That is so far. Matlab we haven't seen anyone. That's why we thought Sakshi might be the less. Sakshi mark कर दो. And who has done it? Sakshi. City with less count. कौन है? Sakshi. I mark करूंगा. उसके बाद तनय आता है. तनय का current count कितना आते? 3 आते. And she'll be like, Sakshi, you are 2 and mine is 3. So definitely I won't care about myself because you have less. अच्छा ठीक है. Again Radha will come. Radha will also 3. Then Selva will come and say 2. अच्छा. So Selva count is 2 and already min cost is having Sakshi of 2. 2 is less than or equal to 2? Yes. So min cost min cost selva ka de do, and which is the with the less count selva ka de do, return selva. Why have written equal to? Because they asked if we get some clash, we should return the biggest number, and we are iterating from where. This was a mess right now, let me remove. And yeah, we are starting from, where are we? Here we are starting from 0. So whenever we got a equal value or less than value, we will update it. समझ आया क्या? Right now Sakshi is with 2. Now Selva is also 2, but we should return Selva because that is the greatest number. So this equal to case I am keeping that way so that I can automatically update Selva's one. I can return the Selva's one or Akshish one, whatever we say. No, did you get it, everyone? Sakshi, Tanay, whatever, whom Ashish, Afshin, Selva.
Yes, we got
Everything
it.
is perfect. So let us run the code. There is another problem to discuss also, but I guess it will be jada overhead for you guys. So I will stop here only then. I guess you got an intuition of why to use this one. Current count variable kya? Acha, I have kept it like this. No, seriously, why? Just a second, but what am I returning? Output 4. This is 2. Hey, did we get the correct answer? Matlab, we are iterating through this one and we are having this one. If minimum of distance I comma j is less than or equal to distance threshold, what they have given, then current count plus. Guys, I have done a mistake over here. You should have let me know this. This I should do after this loop, right? Every time I can't do. Once Sakshi is done with her roaming, then I will check. Yes, right. I will let you know. Once for if it is correct, then I will let you know what galti. Yeah. See, you should know how to debug the code also. Done. Let me first of all stop the recording. It's been a while.